Hi there, welcome to this tutorial. Today I will guide you how to create your own website with Site123. It's an online website builder. If you want to design a small website for a blogger, portfolio and online store, the Site123 is one of the great online website builder, and it's easy to create professional website. Okay, here is Site123 dashboard. I have already registered on it. You can see after registering on the website. This is the website. Site123 has two existing plan, free or premium. Free is 0. You can start from 0 amount to create the website. It has also 4 plan, but here only mention 2 plan. We can see the plan on the frequently asked question. Site123 has 4 package: basic, advanced, professional or gold. You can select anything according to the requirement. Let's start creating website with Site123. To create a new website, you need to click create a website. And if you believe to create a website in a minute, Site123 is the best. So I will create a website for me. That's why create a website for yourself. I have selected. Okay, what type of website do you want to create? I will create a website that is business related. So I have selected the business template. Okay, we should select the website name. Okay, let's build website and create to open a website. Website template is importing. This is one of the best feature in the online website builder Site123 has, because what kind of website if you want to create, when you select a type of website, it will automatically import it by a template without wasting your time. Okay, website template has been imported. You can see this has enormous features: home, about us, contact. It has been imported in a click, and you have get your own website in a minute. Now I will customize this website. Just click on the section. It's loading here for the slow internet. Please bear in mind. Okay, let's edit this section. I have clicked on this section. You can see we can change background images. You can import it by searching their free images features enabled. Okay, we will import these images. Image has been changed, and we have also edit the text as well. It's cool. Now we will change about us section. As it's a tutorial, so I will keep the text as it was. I will just change the headlines. Okay, here you can also change your text, images. Just click on the image. We can find our images by writing his search name. Although his image search is odd, but you can add your images for the demo website. Okay, I have changed this text. This is the service section on the home page. We can edit or changes. I will keep that as it was, just I will change it. If you want to edit this service section, just click to edit here. Here on the title, website design. You can also edit its link, service link, but I will keep that as it was. Just click to save. Okay, let's create the contact form on the below section. Just click to add. Just need to add contact. This is only the contact form. Just click to import. And it's done. You can see how easily we can add contact form. If you think in code, it will take so much time, so you can create the full page in a minute, and you can also customize. Okay, if you want to change the about us page, just click on it. This is the one page website. Okay, this is the service section. This is the contact section. Okay, let's see is design. We can change color of the website. Here you can see the main color of the website. You can also select the font. Just click to change each font. You can see on the preview it has been changed by creating the mouse hover over. I have selected the OSL font. You can see how good it was. You can also change the header. You can show a phone number, show height, show email, show social media links, etc. On the website type, you can also change the layout. Is it single page or multi-page? You can also select the multi-page website. Like if you select the about us, go to the section, you can add this. You can add according to your requirement, like pages. Just click to add and add a new page. When you add a new page, like we want to add page our portfolio, you can select this. Yeah, portfolio section has been added. See where I have created another page. As we selected the multi-page, then it has been going to the portfolio, this other page. You can add a new page by following this. If you want to if you want to edit the header, just click to header, and we can customize, and you can hide or show anything you want. If you want to edit the footer, just click to footer, and we can edit this. Just click to edit footer. Oh sorry, we can't edit the footer on our free packages. If you want to edit your footer, so you need to upgrade your package. As I have showed you how to build a website in site123.com, now we can see its features on the setting. If you want to click the domain, you can see we can buy a domain on it, or if you want to already on a domain, we can click on it. Like we have selected this domain. Then we can see the 4 packages of Site123. It has packages basic, advanced, professional and gold. This is our prices from the start. As I am from Bangladesh, this prices start from Taka. It around 3 USD for the basic price. If you take the advance, you need to spend 6 USD. If you want to have a professional package, you need to provide 9 USD per month. If you want to use the gold and their so-called premium package, you need to provide 13 USD for this package. And you can see this has the nice features. There is 10 GB storage, 35 GB storage, and their bandwidth and visitor are so much. And you can see they have online features like e-commerce, products, credit card features, Google Analytics, pop-up, and there are so many options on Site123. It's very simple but very functional if you follow this. Let's get on into my site. You can see I have created this site and it is been shown on my dashboard. Wherever you want to edit this website, just click on it. If you want to transfer this website for your client, you can click on transfer. This is one of the good features when after designing the website, when client want to get their website on their email, whenever you want to transfer, just to tell the client to register on Site123. After that, ask the client their email address, so you can type your client email address and click on it. It will be transferred as soon as possible. You can also make search engine optimization. Here click on SEO advisor and there is webhooks, and you can also duplicate the website editor or website designing. I suggest to use the Site123. It has been a great feature for the newcomers who want to create a website for their client and for their own portfolio, and it is budget friendly. See how simple it is to create a website in Site123. I hope you will like the video of mine and let me know on the comment how it was. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a good day. Take care.